I'm not sure. I don't know if they can hear me. Everyone, the year is 2021. Bitcoin currently trading at $123,000 and some change. It surpassed what many were thinking. The world is at a brink of financial turmoil. And Bitcoin continues. The biggest thing you need to remember is this.
What's up, everyone? Bitcoin breaking through $9,000 overnight with a big move through a key trend line of a symmetrical triangle with a $10,000 breakout. What is Bitcoin going to do next? Let's check it out in this video. What's up, everyone? Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit those notification bells, and let's jump into the video. There it is, Bitcoin symmetrical triangle breakout. We did a video the other day right here as we tested the upper trend line. You can see this 74% to the apex note because that's where we were. Now we can look at the rules of a symmetrical triangle. We know there's a breakout upward through the top of the symmetrical triangle 60% of the time and 73% of the way to the triangle apex. That was my reason the other day for doing that video, because we were testing that 73% to the apex. Now we've gotten the bullish breakout. What are some things? First off, we have our bullish target right around $10,000. The other thing on this chart I wanted to point out was this, and I can illustrate it with a nice smiley face. Everyone, this is a stop and reversal on the 6-hour chart. We just, I guess, overnight put in the first stop and reversal indicator below Bitcoin price. We know when that happens, that is bullish. Now you have to take all things into context when using that indicator, but on the 6-hour chart, this could be a good sign of continued upward momentum. And that's what we're looking at right now. Bitcoin has broken through that symmetrical triangle. But what is this orange line? That's what I want to talk about in this video. That is a very, very key resistance line illustrated on this chart. This is the daily chart zoomed out. This is going back almost a year. The top of this pattern, June 2019, everybody remembers, close to $14,000 or so. We've been in a falling wedge since then. We did a video the other day talking about this falling wedge. It has a breakout target of around $13,800. Right now, Bitcoin is testing the upper trend line of this wedge. We know what happened last time we tested the upper trend line back here in February. Bitcoin saw a swing low from that area in the 3,000s. I'm not bearish, everyone, but I do want to say this to you. Always be prepared for potential crazy downward trends because they happen, especially at these key areas when we're hitting resistance. What we want is Bitcoin to finally break through that resistance for good. And what does that look like? Well, it looks like a couple different things. Number one, it looks like us hitting our target of $10,000 on the symmetrical triangle, but then it translates further. It translates Bitcoin breaking that $10,000 or $10,500 swing high in February. And that is the key to this longer term reversal that Bitcoin needs. Bitcoin needs to put in a higher high from that swing high, right? And that would mean above 10,500. And beyond that, a breakout target of close to $14,000, that would bring Bitcoin full circle to this very key area on these long-term weekly charts. This is the Fibonacci Retracement area, 13,000 to around 16,000. That is the bull market doors. Once Bitcoin breaks through that and we start seeing higher highs and higher lows above that, we have entered the bull market. And that's when parabolic gains everybody's waiting for will most likely happen. So you can see the story potentially being told for Bitcoin, and it all starts with a small little symmetrical triangle Bitcoin has just broken out of. Now we wait, we watch, we see this orange trend line. That is the upper trend line of this long-term falling wedge. Will Bitcoin break it? Good news, zooming in on this chart, Bitcoin has broken this key Fibonacci area right here, and this is the 618 to 786, right around $9,000 or so, down to around $7,900. That is the swing high in February to the swing low in March, back up, right? So we've broken this key area. We have a lot of confluent resistance right now. Bitcoin needs to continue momentum. Let's see what happens in the hours ahead of us today. I like to make these videos short and sweet. I try and cover everything in terms of technical analysis without boring you. So let me know your thoughts. Is Bitcoin going to break this huge confluent resistance area and see some bullish momentum upwards? Or is Bitcoin going to see resistance and are we going to start continuing back down? You know, the possibilities are endless. At the end of the day, it's 50-50. Don't listen to YouTubers. Don't listen to people on the internet about how to invest in things like cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. Make your own decisions. I provide the data for you. I hope it helps. If you're here right now, you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Hit the like button on your way out. I will see you all in the next video. Have a good day and God bless.